If you want to cast the screen from your OnePlus 15R to your PC, then we can use the OnePlus Connect app. On our OnePlus 15R, we can just go to Settings, then find Device Connect in here, and then we can go to PC in order to find the OnePlus Connect. Here it is called the Multi-Screen Connect, and we should be able to use the OnePlus account in order to easily connect our computer with our phone. We can also do this manually if you tap on Add a New Device. Then over here we can scan the QR code, and the QR code can be, of course, generated from the app on our computer. So on the computer, you want to go to connect.oppo.com in order to get the app for Windows or for Mac OS. And then once you get it, it looks like this. Over here in the upper left corner, we can assign into our OnePlus account, the same one that you use on your phone. Or of course, you can choose to connect manually in order to generate this QR code over here, which I talked about. So if you don't want to use an account, you can still do that instead. Now, in my case, the computer is already listed over here in my devices, but if you don't have it, then of course you can go to Add New Device in order to search for your computer in here. And if you actually use the OnePlus account in order to connect both devices, then it might happen automatically and straight away. So I'm just gonna connect to my computer just like that, and now we should be able to see this information on our computer in the OnePlus Connect app that we have connected our OnePlus 15R. Now in here we can find the screencast options. We can tap over here and then click on cast now. And there we go. Now we need to go back to the phone for a second in order to choose what we want to cast. We can cast the entire screen or a single app in some cases. So I'm gonna confirm that I want to cast the screen, and there we go. Now I have it on my computer. I can easily use the phone from my computer just like that. We can of course also use gestures if you want to. As you can see, swipe gestures work just fine too. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.